Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very different kind of slot off. I'm doing a slot off with my ex-boyfriend. This is Ryan, and as some of you might know, he's Anastas 617. We are going to play Huff and Puff's Money Mansions. We are doing $25 each, $1 spins, 25 spins, and see who will win. Hey, comment down below who you think's gonna win. Me? Me, him, me? I don't know. Let's see. $25 in, $1 spin. Here we go. Oh, volume's all the way up.
Son of a bitch. What the hell is that?
Now, where is he? Okay, so these are little piggies that pop up, and they can add to that. So, of course, I didn't get 6 because where is he?
Okay.
Is that 6?
Oh.
Where are you? Okay, I'm cashing out at $7.85.
What do those guys do?
Yeah, sometimes they have 3 hats on. I had one time where I had 3 hats.
Oh, so that counts as
Yes.
one. Oh.
Yeah, so you had 4, yeah.
8.
Oh. Wait, stop. What number are you on? Oh.
15. 16. 18.
Oh.
19. 20. 1. Last one.
Okay. Bonus. Just kidding. So technically he won because he got 967. So how do you feel you won? You can pay. You can buy a beer. So this is really fun.
I won't mention how much I'm already down today. So
You're okay. You still won. Okay, and now him and Mark can gloat that they won against me. So, but I've also won Mark 3 times. So hey. Well, thank you for doing this with me.
No problem.
If you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs it up, and I'll see you next time.
Bye.